If you sell templates, courses, or any kind of digital product, one client dispute, copyright claim, or data breach could wipe out your profit. That's why having the right insurance is non-negotiable. Today, I'll show you how to sign up for Next Insurance in under 10 minutes. First, head over to nextinsurance.com. Click Get Instant Quote. Select your business type. For most of you, that's going to be digital products, online business, or the closest match. Now, enter your details, your business name, your name, and contact information. Next, you'll answer a few quick coverage questions. For digital product sellers, I recommend adding professional liability to protect against client disputes and cyber liability to protect customer data. Once that's done, Next Insurance will instantly give you a quote. The best part, you'll see the monthly cost upfront with no hidden fees. If you like what you see, click the Get Instant Quote to start your coverage immediately. You'll get your certificate of insurance instantly, which is great for building trust with clients and marketplaces. With Next Insurance, you're protected against unexpected client disputes, data breaches, and even copyright claims, all while looking more professional. It's affordable and designed for online entrepreneurs just like you. And if you're creating and selling PDFs, templates, or ebooks, check out PDF Farming. It's the fastest way to design, sell, and deliver your digital products automatically. Pair it with Next Insurance, and your business is both protected and automated. You'll find the links for Next Insurance and PDF Farming in the description. Sign up today and get covered, and keep selling with confidence.